Hello, welcome to week 4. We're going to do a quick review as always, and then we're just going to do a few things that you're going to take all of those components, and we're going to add a few. We're going to take all those components and we're going to listen for some things in those components. So let's look at them. A beat. A beat is steady, if I can ever get over to it. Hold on just a second. A beat is steady. A rhythm is not steady. It has long and short sounds and silences. Quarter note, quarter rest, one beat. Ta, sh. Eighth notes, half a beat each. T. Half note, 2 beats. Ta, half rest, 2 beats. Sh, sh. Whole note, 4 beats. Whole rest, 4 beats of silence. Dotted half note, 3 beats. 16th notes, a quarter of a beat each. It takes 4 to make 1 beat. Triplets, 3 notes in the time of 2 notes. Triplet, so like the top one here, 2 eighth notes would be 1 beat, so those are 3 notes in 1 beat. Down here, 2 quarter notes get 2 beats, so it's 3 notes and 2 beats. Clap it or play it with me. Ready, go. Ta, 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 ta. Let me change this over just a little bit so you can see me. That is not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. All right, let's do the next one. Ready, go. Ta, ta, T. Ready, go. T, ta, sh. Ready, go. T, hold, 2, 3. Ready, go. Ticka, sh. T. Ready, go. Ticka, sh, ta. A meter. A meter is the number of beats grouped together. The number of beats grouped together, 2, 3, 4, something like that. A measure is one group of those beats. Meter signature, the number in music that tells you what the meter is and what note gets 1 beat. Looks like a fraction. Okay, so this piece of music is in the meter of 2. See the 2 here? It is in the meter of 2, and you have 2 measures. 1 measure of 2 beats, 2 measures of 2 beats. Let's play it. Ready, go. Ta, ta, ta. Now we've got a piece of music in the meter of 4 with 2 measures, each measure getting 4 beats. Ta, 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 sh, ta, ta. 2 measures of 4. Let's play it. Ready, go. Ticka, T, ta, triplet, ta, triplet, ta. A staff, 5 lines and 4 spaces. A melody. Oh, that's a new one. We haven't had that one yet. A melody is a single line of tones that move up, down, repeat, step, and skip. All right, so you look at it and first you decide which direction is it going. Is it going up, down, or repeat? And then how is it going? Well, this one is going repeat, so it's not going to go any way but repeat. Up, down, repeat. This is going up. It is going up. Is it going up by step or by skip? It is going line, space, line, space, line. It is not jumping over any spaces or lines. So it's going up by step. Which direction is it going? Up, down, repeat? Good, it is going up. Is it going up by step or by skip? It is going up by skip because you're skipping over the spaces. So you go line, 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 line. It's going up by skip. Is it going up, down, or repeat? Good, it's going down. It's going down. Is it going down by step or by skip? It's going down by step. Line, space, line, space, line. Up or down or repeat? It is going down. Is it going down by step or by skip? By skip. It's skipping over the lines. Line, or space, 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 space. Music alphabet goes to G, starts all over again at A. Treble clef, right hand on piano or higher voices. The lines of the treble clef staff are, every good boy does fine. The spaces spell F-A-C-E. Treble clef note on the third line. So you have to ask yourself, is it on a line or a space? That's on a line. Third line. Every good boy. That would be a B. What note is that? It is on space. It is on the fourth space. F-A-C-E. It is on a line. Good. Every. E. Line or space? It is on the line. Excuse me. It's on the fourth line. So if you count up to it, every good boy does. Ledger lines are added to the top and the bottom of the staff. This line down here below the treble clef staff is going to be C. The next space will be D. And then, of course, the first line is E. At the top line is F, so the next space is going to be G. And then the next line is going to be A. Pitch, high and low sounds. That is a high sound. That is a low sound. That is a kind of high sound, especially if that third line is considered in the middle. That would be on the high side. Tempo. Oh, here's a new word for you, tempo. What is tempo? The speed of the beat. How fast or how slow the music is. Now, before I click this slide, let me, oh, you can still see me good. Okay, so before I click this slide, I want to tell you that composers, when they write their music, will write in around the music somewhere what tempo they want the music to be in. So they typically use Italian terms. Remember, music was first created to be written down by someone who spoke Italian. So a lot of the terminology we use that was invented 400 years ago was in Italian. So those terms are in Italian. Let's look at them. Sorry, I am a little sleepy today. Okay, so look at these tempo markings. You might see prestissimo. That is very, very fast. Do you see the BPMs? That is beats per minute. 200 beats per minute. If there are 60 seconds in a minute, that is over 2 beats per second. That is pretty fast. Presto is very fast. Allegro is still fast. It's not as fast as the others, but it's still fast. We usually say happily fast. Moderato is a medium speed. Andante is a walking pace or a walking speed. Adagio is a little on the slower side. Lento or largo is very slow. And grave, I know it looks like it says grave. Grave is extremely slow. Dynamics. Oh, here's another word we haven't looked at yet. Well, we have, but we haven't. We used it when we were doing sound, which I didn't put any sound in these slides. I need to go back and add it. Dynamics is the volume of the music, how loud or how soft it is. You might see these abbreviations in music, P's and F's. P is short for the Italian word piano. You might think of the instrument, but piano actually means soft. And the F stands for fortissimo or forte, which means loud. So 3 P's would be pianissimo, which would be very, very, very soft. Like almost can't hear it soft. 2 P's, pianissimo, is very soft. 1 P, piano, is soft. MP, mezzo piano, is medium or moderately soft. MF is mezzo forte, which is moderately or medium loud. F, forte, loud. 2 F's, fortissimo, very loud. And 3 F's, fortissimo, that's very, very, very loud. Instrument families. The woodwind family, they were once made out of wood or still have wood on them. The wood vibrates or bounces down a column. I don't think it's an and, I think it's an or. Brass family. They are all made out of metal. They have a cupped metal mouthpiece, a bell, and you must buzz your lips to get them to play. If you don't do that, that instrument's not going to work. Last but not least, the string family. Now, there are lots of instruments that are not listed. We're talking about the orchestra string family. So you have the violin, which is the smallest, the viola, the cello, the string bass or the double bass, and the harp. The percussion family. That is any instrument that you have to hit, shake, or scrape to produce a sound. Any instrument that you have to hit, shake, or scrape to produce a sound. Musical time periods. You know what they are: medieval, Renaissance, Baroque, Classical, Romantic, 20th century. And then I have listed each one of those, the medieval, and what characteristics they have. The Renaissance and what characteristics it has. The Baroque and what characteristics it has. The Classical and the Romantic, and last but not least, the 20th century. Now, this is what we're going to do. I am going to have you listen to a couple of pieces of music, and you are going to fill out the paperwork that tells me what you are hearing. That means you're really going to have to listen. I'm also going to ask you to look up some background information on that piece of music. All right, have a great week.